Gratitude. What does that mean? And how can something that you write or think can affect on your mentality and happiness, bro? First of all, the thing which we shouldn't teach in school and our education system, what happiness is simple, lot of things, but one of the thing is gratitude. Gratitude means writing the things and thinking of something that you are grateful for and you already have. So it's like thank you for something, for somebody and some anything. Any means anything that you can think of, because is very beneficial for your mentality and thoughts. Bro, why the lots of people and teenagers have depression, anxiety, and a lot of things. And there can be there are lot of reasons for this, but no one taught them to what great gratitude is, what mindfulness meditation is. That's why, and they think it's cringy or something like that. That's why they still stuck in depression and dopamine detox. That's why they get, like I previously told in a video, the more dopamine you get, the more it gets below the baseline. That's why people day by day become more depressed and have anxiety, lot of things like that. So anyway, I'm just gonna tell you how to do that, how I tell that what is the benefits of the gratitude. And I recently reading a book called PTSD Surviving to Thriving by PT Walker. It is a great book, and it's about trauma and childhood trauma, PTSD and things. I doesn't done it now until, but if I done, I will make video on it, proper video. So if you want to learn that thing, you can check out the book PTSD. So now move on to the topic. So the thing is, first of all, just writing. I prefer writing on a notebook, not your smartphone or any kind of devices. Just write on pen and notebook. So you have means lot of memories of what you are grateful for. Like you will make collection of these things that you are grateful for, and after just writing 4 5 things you are grateful for will make you some, it's different thing, but it's like happiness. You will start notice instantly. This is the thing which create impact instantly. If you are like going on the gym and meditation, that thing doesn't, that's helpful, but that things uh, what's that, need time to see the effects and results. But gratitude is something that doesn't require a lot of time. It's instantly you can see its effects. Maybe not instantly, but 2 or 3 days later you can see you are, after writing this, you are feeling very good. So the thing is, writing the things like I am grateful for this because of this, in this manner. Like I will give you example. um, I'm grateful for PT Walker because of their book. I read gratitude thing, and I am sharing with you and because of that, if someone makes happy after writing and doing the thing I am preferring, that's great. I'm grateful for the camera, the thing that we can interacting to each other. I'm grateful for that I am done workout. If even after I am doesn't recover very well, still I doesn't quitting. That's a lot of things like that, and you will notice that after doing these things, your mind will automatically detect and implement those things uh, in your mind. Like if you have negative thoughts and this kind of thing, it is the good thing to do, because it will implement great and good thoughts in your mind. like, like I doesn't do it a lot of time, but still I have some lot of times I get gratitude thoughts in mind, and instantly I does gratitude on mind. But I prefer you to do on a notebook, and I also suggest you to do at same time, like every afternoon 7 p.m. or anything, anytime that you are prefer, but every day at same time. At night maybe it's good, because in a whole day you can write the things you are grateful for, in what your day is you done, or anything that's happened with you. Yeah, that's for all. I have a Discord server to make sure to join it, so we can interact and hop on a call. Yeah, that's for all. I hope you will get some knowledgeable information, and you will be more happy before than that. Thank you.